Phone story videos are exploding on social media right now. One TikTok account is doing this over and over, and every single video is racking up millions of views. I'm going to show you exactly how to recreate this, step by step, using only free AI tools. Here's the most important part. Open the master prompt. You'll find it in the video description. This is the exact prompt you need. Copy the first prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you a few story ideas. Pick the one you like. This is where most people get it wrong. Don't just take the first idea. Choose a real drama story, one with tension. Now paste the second prompt. ChatGPT will turn it into a full script with dialogue. Then paste the third prompt. This breaks your script into scenes. Just paste, and let it build the whole thing for you. Pay attention to this next step. Head over to Google Flow. Click on Select Image. Copy your first image from the form. Paste it into the prompt box. Do this for every image in your script. Same process, every time. Paste the image. Hit Generate. That's it. Select Video. Click on OmniFlash. Set it to 10 seconds. Paste your first video prompt. Hit Generate. Do this for every video in your script. Same process, every time. Paste the prompt. Hit Generate. In seconds, it's done. Once all your videos are ready, download every clip. Head over to your favorite editor, put them together, export it. That's your full phone story video, ready to post.
Bro, that mansion belongs to an android?